Today we're talking about the Sigma 35mm F1.4 Art version 2 and the Sigma 15mm F1.4 Contemporary. I'm Mikey, a photographer and content producer in South Florida, specializing in work with brands, businesses, and agencies. Sigma is updating one of the most versatile focal lengths with the 35mm F1.4 Art version 2. The goal of this update was simple: better image quality and a more compact design. If you shoot photo or video, you already know the 35mm is a classic. It's a versatile lens for creators who shoot a mix of portraits, streets, landscapes, and fashion. Sigma is positioning this for its creators who want high-end results across a bunch of genres. This new lens is designed to stay sharp across the frame even when shooting wide open. This lens delivers better image quality than the previous model from center to edge. It's 14% shorter and 20% lighter than the previous 35mm F1.4 Art. Currently weighs about 530 grams and it's about 90 millimeters tall. With the new floating focus system, you'll notice this lens is a lot better at handling close-up images and really taking advantage of the minimum focus distance. For video, there's new focusing system with dual HLA motors to ensure fast, stable, and accurate autofocus. The lens now features two AFL buttons, which is great for vertical shooting and quick custom controls. The aperture ring can be de-clicked for smooth exposure changes, and there's also an aperture lock so you don't bump it mid-shoot. The front element includes a water and oil repellent coating to handle real-world conditions. Their new coating, called AAC, is designed to cut down flare and ghosting, making images cleaner and more contrasty with fewer artifacts. The Sigma 35mm is positioned as a sharper, cleaner, more video-friendly 35mm in a smaller body with better controls for working creators. And you can tell that Sigma really focused on everyday usability and reliability with more controls as well as a tougher build. If you love the 35 1.4 but you wanted better video performance, this update's for you. Sigma is introducing the 15mm F1.4 DC Contemporary, a new low-light wide-angle prime built for APS-C cameras. This lens is designed to deliver a big, immersive wide-angle look with a bright f1.4 aperture in a compact body that's easy to carry. Sigma designed this lens to fit in the palm of your hand and to be lightweight for everyday setups. The wide-angle plus the f1.4 gives you a look that feels more cinematic and dimensional, especially when you move in close. This lens is about 50% lighter and 30% shorter than the original 16mm from Sigma. The 9-bladed aperture is designed to create smooth circular background blur, especially when you move in close. The lens is designed for scenes like cityscapes and landscapes, with an image that stays clean from center to the edges. The lens can focus as close as 17.7 centimeters. That minimum focus distance is designed to give you dynamic close-ups while still keeping the wide perspective. On the video side, this lens is built to feel natural, especially on gimbals thanks to its compact size. The autofocus is smooth and responsive for both stills and video, and focus breathing is designed to be well controlled so the focus pulls look natural. The Sigma 15mm F1.4 DC Contemporary is positioned as a small, bright, wide-angle prime that helps APS-C creators get a higher-end look without carrying a heavy setup. All in all, I think Sigma knocked these out of the park. The 15mm brings a unique perspective in a small form factor, and the 35mm was a much-needed update to a classic. What do you guys think?